I faced the frustration of persistent system errors, dedicating time to uncover solutions that truly restore stability. Through extensive testing, I found multiple effective approaches to tackle these stubborn computer problems, and I'm ready to share them with you. Many users struggle with the Vgksys Bsod crash, a major headache that can stop your computer dead in its tracks. This specific error often signals trouble with your computer's memory or how system drivers are talking to each other. The first method helps by checking your computer's memory for any hidden problems. When memory goes bad, your system tries to use a part of it that isn't working right, leading to a crash. Testing the memory finds these bad spots so you can fix or replace them. Next, we look at your computer's drivers. Drivers are like instruction manuals for your hardware. If a Vgksys driver is old or corrupted, it can cause errors when your computer tries to access memory, leading to the dreaded blue screen. Updating or rolling back these drivers ensures your hardware and software communicate correctly. The third way focuses on your system files. Sometimes important Windows files get damaged, and these damaged files can trigger memory access errors. A system file check repairs these broken pieces, making sure your operating system is healthy. Finally, turning off fast startup can prevent issues. Fast startup saves a partial copy of your system state to help your computer boot quicker. But sometimes this saved state can get corrupted, leading to the Vgksys page of Bsod crash when you start up again. Disabling it forces a full fresh boot every time, clearing potential problems.